Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to re-enable sign-in options on through the settings interface on your Windows 10 computer. So if it says that some of these settings are hidden or managed by your organization and you're unable to modify any of them, such as the security key, the Windows Hello face, or the fingerprint, in today's tutorial I'll show you guys how to re-enable that option. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, and we're going to go and start by opening up the start menu. Type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should come back a registry editor. You want to go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest that we create a backup of it, so if anything were to go wrong we could easily restore it back. So in order to create the backup, it's very simple. You just would select the File tab and then Export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which we are making the backup. Export range should be kept to all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on our computer. And if we ever need to import it back in, we just would select File and then Import and navigate to set file location. So again, pretty straightforward. And now we are ready to begin. So we're going to start by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing for Microsoft. Go down to Policy Manager. Double click on that. Should be a default value under here. Double click on it. Now locate Settings. Double click on that. And there should be something that says Allow Sign-In Options. So just go ahead and click on that one time. So now on the right panel here, there should be a value that says value. Go ahead and double click on that and make sure value data is set to 1. So if it says 0, type the number 1 in here, select OK, and now you can close out of here, restart your computer for the change to take effect, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.